Imagine this. You're meeting someone for the first time and they ask you to introduce yourself in English. Suddenly, your brain freezes. You know the words, but they won't come out. Your heart beats faster and you start thinking, what do I say? Don't worry, this is completely normal. English learners from every country and every level go through the same moment. But introducing yourself can actually be easy, natural, and even enjoyable once you know the right way to do it. And today, I'll show you how. Let's start with the most important part, your name. A simple, friendly introduction is always the best. You can say, "Hello, I'm Daniel," or "Hi, my name is Aisha." No long sentences, no pressure, just a calm, clear start. Next, tell people where you're from. This helps create an instant connection. You can say, "I'm from Mexico," or "I grew up in Egypt, but now I live in Malaysia." Keep it honest and simple. People love hearing about your background. After that, talk about what you do. This could be your job, your studies, or your current situation. If you're studying, you might say, "I'm a college student studying finance." If you work, you can say, "I'm working as a customer service representative." And if you're not working at the moment, that's totally fine. You can simply say, "Right now, I'm focusing on improving my skills." Then, add a small personal detail. This is what makes your introduction memorable. It could be a hobby, an interest, or something you enjoy. Maybe you love playing football, cooking, drawing, watching movies, or learning languages. For example, in my free time, I enjoy reading and learning new things. These little details show your personality. Another great touch is to mention your English learning goals. It not only sounds confident, but also shows your motivation. You can say, "I'm learning English to improve my communication at work," or "My goal is to speak English more fluently when I travel." This helps people understand your purpose. Now, let's put it all together. It might sound something like this. "Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Vietnam. I work as a web developer. I enjoy photography and learning new languages. One of my goals is to become more confident when speaking English with people from around the world." Easy, friendly, and effective. The secret is not perfect grammar, it's confidence. You don't need big, complicated sentences. Simple sentences make you sound clear and natural. Practice your introduction a few times so you feel comfortable, but don't memorize every single word. Memorizing can make you sound unnatural. Instead, understand the structure and speak freely. And remember, every time you introduce yourself, you improve a little more. Try practicing at home, recording yourself, or introducing yourself in English groups online. The more you do it, the more confident you'll become. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more lessons, and share your own self-introduction in the comments. I'd love to read it and help you improve. Let's keep growing together on English Fluency Hub.